As we all know, on this weight loss journey, it's all about protein. So this morning, I decided to do an Add Shred Happens breakfast power bowl. So what you're going to first do is bring your water to the bowl, and then you're going to actually add your eggs straight from the refrigerator. You're going to let them boil for about 8 minutes and 25 seconds, depending on how hard or soft you want them. While your eggs are boiling, you're going to go ahead and cut up your onions, and this is up to your desired amount. After your eggs have completed boiling, you're going to actually place them in a cold water bath or an ice bath for about 5 minutes. After they've sat there for about 5 minutes, I decided to go ahead and peel them. And of course, you know that if you place your eggs in cold water immediately after boiling them, it makes the peeling of them absolutely a lot quicker and a lot easier. So then after I did that, I decided to go ahead and get my avocado ready. Of course, after opening it, I found some undesirable pieces of it, but this was not going to waste. So I just cut those undesirable pieces out and then peeled my avocado and got ready to cut it up. Now for me personally, I decided to use some good culture cottage cheese, the small curds. I must admit, when I was growing up, I was never a cottage cheese person, but now that I've gotten older, I've learned to like it. So then you're going to actually cut your eggs in your desired shape. I actually cut mine in half. You can do your eggs either soft boiled or hard boiled. I probably could have went a little softer, but this was my first time trying this dish, so this is what I decided to do. Now, of course, as looking at this, I figured it was going to definitely be more than enough, but I'd already taken my red onions and I decided to place and sprinkle those on top along with some fresh cilantro. Now, one great thing about this breakfast power bowl, you can top it with whatever you want. Today, I decided to do some MomoFuku Chilli Crunch. Now, if you never had this brand, let me tell you, it is delish. Now, they have a honey version and a regular hot version. I did not have the honey, so I had to go with the hot. And of course, I had to go a little light because I didn't want to overdo it for breakfast. After which, I decided to put some fresh ground pepper with some fresh ground Himalayan salt. So thank you, Add Shred Happens, for this great recipe for how we can add more protein on our weight loss journey.